Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can take the sections in FreeCAD. So here in FreeCAD 0.21 in release note, FreeCAD added the new features known as a sections tool, which is based on a pull request 8252. You can visit this release note page and you can get this pull request number 8252. It has the detailed informations about this part sections features. Now we will learn how we can use it in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. You can also purchase my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. This course I have a design for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, where beginner user can master the FreeCAD from the scratch. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link and my course link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have a model, and now I will take the sections. So I will go to the view, and here you will find the persistent section cut. Click on it. So once you click on it, you will get here the section cutting X, Y and Z directions. Here is also options the cut faces. You will have the also options for the color and transparency. So let's click on this X options. So you can see, as per the UCS, my part has been cut, and here is a slider. I can increase or decrease this slider, so I can easily take the sections where I want. For example, I wanted to cut mid from this hole, so I can slide it there, or I can also flip it and then I can slide it. So this is how it works in a X direction. Similarly, if you click on Y direction, so you can see that my part has been cut in a Y directions, and I can slide it my cut. For example, I wanted this section view, or I can flip it easily. I can also take the Z one. So this is the Z directions. I can slide it and I can also flip it. So this is a very cool feature which is added in a FreeCAD 0.21, and once you click on the sections which you want, then close it. So now you will have the sections cut here. You can off the original body and you can see the sections body. So this is the section cut compound. Just press the space bar and hide, and here is a box, and just on it. So this is the section view, and once you have the sections view and you want to work on your main body, just press the space bar and hide it and activate your own body. So this is a very cool features which is added in a FreeCAD, and I'm very happy to see that without any inserting a body and then making a cut or slicing a part. This is a very cool features. I hope you have liked this tool, and also try it while doing the part modeling. So this is all about this tutorial, how to take the sections view in FreeCAD. I will come with a more useful tutorial like this. If you like my tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. It will help me to create a more awesome content on FreeCAD, and your small support will help these channels to grow. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.